Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kraken using 2FA and account security. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Kraken using two-factor authentication, or 2FA, first, log in to your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your username in the upper right corner. In the account settings menu, locate and select the security tab. Within the security settings, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Two-Factor Authentication to initiate. You will be presented with the option to use either an authenticator app or SMS. For enhanced security, it is recommended to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. If you choose the authenticator app, follow the on-screen instructions to generate a QR code. Open your authenticator app and scan the QR code displayed on your Kraken account. Once scanned, your authenticator app will generate a unique 6-digit code. Enter this code in the designated field on the Kraken website. After entering the code, click the Enable button to activate two-factor authentication. If you prefer to use SMS, select that option and input your mobile phone number. You will receive a verification text with a code. Enter the SMS code in the specified field on the Kraken platform. Click Enable to complete the setup for SMS-based 2FA. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, be sure to keep your backup codes in a secure location. These backup codes can be used if you lose access to your authenticator or phone. To test your 2FA setup, log out of your account and then log back in. You will be prompted to enter a new code from your authenticator app or SMS. Input the code to confirm that two-factor authentication is functioning correctly. Finally, ensure that your Kraken account has strong security measures in place, such as a robust password and email verification. By following these steps, your Kraken account will be more secure with two-factor authentication in place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.